Hi students! As you know, you are always asked to do an individual presentation in class or in speaking exam. In this video, I am going to share with you how to organize your speech and how to make good use of the mind map. There are a lot of ways to organize your presentation. One of the good ways to organize your messages by logic is to use the problem and solution approach. First, you describe the problem. Then, you give your suggested solutions. Let's look at one of the questions in the speaking exam as an example. As you can see in section A, you have to give a 2-minute presentation on the topic, Teens Can't Finish Their Homework. Well, I guess it's a common teen problem, right? Let's look at the mind map and see how we can organize the presentation with the problem and solution approach. You may begin the presentation from the center of the mind map. Actually, there are many ways to start the speech. The simplest way is, "Good morning or good afternoon, everybody. Today, I am going to talk about the topic, Teens Can't Finish Their Homework." Of course, you can also grasp the attention of your audiences by asking questions. For example, have you ever been scolded by teachers because you can't finish your homework? After that, you should tell your listeners the flow of your speech. For example, you may say, "I will talk about the causes and effects of the problem and give some suggested solutions." In this way, you may give your audiences a general idea of the presentation so that they can follow it more easily. After that, you may start the body of the speech. This is where you should fill in the details by explaining and supporting your thesis statement. You may make good use of the points given in the mind map. Besides, you can also include your personal experiences and examples. Remember to use the sequencing words to structure the body. For example, to begin with, there are a lot of reasons why teens can't finish their homework. Then, you should go on describing the causes and effects of the problem. For example, the cause. First, the students may have poor time management. Then, you may elaborate by giving examples. They may have a lot of activities after school. For example, sports team practices, playing computer games, hanging out with friends, etc. However, they do not plan their time ahead. Next, you may talk about the effect. They may end up not having enough time to do homework and get into troubles. After describing the cause and effect, you may go on giving your suggested solutions. In order to have better time management, students could set up a revision timetable. They could plan a time slot to finish the homework, but just remember to set a realistic one so that they can stick to it. After describing the first problem and suggested solutions, you may do the same to talk about the second point. Cause 2. Another reason why teens can't finish their homework is that they are unmotivated to do it. Elaborations. Sometimes they may find it difficult to do the homework. What they are trying to do is to escape from it. Effects. If it is the case, they are very likely to get into troubles with teachers. They may end up becoming more and more stressed about homework, and thus more and more unmotivated to face the problem. It's just a vicious cycle. Suggested solutions. To solve this, I think students should seek help from teachers if they have any questions. I am sure the teachers are very willing to help. They may also consider forming study groups with classmates so that they can help each other. After presenting all of your points, don't forget to give your speech a proper closing. The simplest way to end your speech is, for example, "That's all I want to share. Thank you." You may also end it in a less formulaic way. You may give a summary of the key points. It can make your speech more impressive to the audiences. For example, "In short, I think poor time management and being unmotivated are the two main reasons why teens can't finish their homework. To improve the situation, I suggested students to set up a revision timetable. If they have any questions, they should seek help from teachers and form a study group. This is all I want to share today. Thank you." So, this is the general idea of how to organize your speech. Next time, when you come across this kind of question, try to organize your speech by using the problem and solution approach. Hope you found this video useful. Good luck!